You are starting to make money online and you wonder, do I need a website? Well, in this video, I'm going to answer that question, and what I have to share may be critical to your success. Internet. Everyone is on internet these days, whether it is to read the news, to watch TV, to chat with your friends, to learn a course, to watch a YouTube video just like you're doing now. You want to be found, you need an online presence. So you may wonder, but I have social media, isn't that enough? Well, think about it. With 2.85 billion people having Facebook accounts and 875 LinkedIn members, how can you stand out? Well, by having a website. So in this video, I want to give you 11 reasons that I want you to consider and decide for yourself if a website is critical to your success. The first reason is you can sell products on your website. E-commerce sales are exploding with trillions of dollars made through e-commerce. Now, the good news is you don't have to actually sell the product on your website or through your website. All you need to do is use those huge platforms and marketplaces like Amazon, eBay, Etsy, and link from your website to that platform. So you are having an advantage over other sellers because you're using your own website. The second reason I want you to think about is that you don't own Facebook or LinkedIn or Instagram or any of those platforms. What happens if one day you wake up and Facebook is down? Do you remember 2022 when it actually happened? Facebook was down. What a panic! So many people rely on social media to reach out to their clients, to have their contact, to actually do business through social media, but you don't own it. A website, you have full control and you own it, which brings me to reason number 3, which is you control. You decide what colors, how you design it, what you put onto it, what you promote on it, what products, what services, how many buttons you add. You decide and control everything. There are no restrictions, no rules. You cannot get banned from Facebook, and you get to do what you desire. Reason number 4 to consider is that you can sell your services on your website, whether you're a coach or a consultant or a writer or an editor. What service you have, you can explain that entirely exactly how you want on your website. You can show your portfolio, you can add testimonials and reviews, you can write blog, you can share your story, you share your expertise, you share your knowledge. You can put anything that you want on your website to show, to explain your expertise, and add a call to action, add a button so that they can contact you and purchase your services and work with you. Reason number 5 is creating a website is easier and cheaper these days than you may think. When I first started, I was studying HTML coding and struggling, and I had so much stress, and I spent so many hours trying to create a website, which failed massively because when I finally finished it, it wasn't working, and I had to hire someone who then added more CSS coding to it. And when I wanted to change the slightest little thing or image, I needed to pay him again to do it for me because it was all coded. And so now I discovered last year actually the No Hassle website, which is, it's making me smile because it's so much fun, and I had so much fear even touching one image or one sentence or one title, whereas now it's plug, play, delete, add, and I do it all myself. And if I have an issue, I reach out to their customer support. I'll link to them below. You have to check it out. Reason number 6 is affiliate marketing. What is affiliate marketing? You simply share a product or a service from somebody else to your audience, and you get paid a commission for it. So you get money. You don't have to create a product. You don't have to create a service. You don't have to innovate anything at all. You don't have to deal with technical issues. You don't have to deal with the whole payment process. You don't have to deal with customer complaints or even customer service. No, all you do is share another person's product or service. The only negative is that you may need an audience or know enough people to share it to, and who will buy it then. But it's a great way to put that on your website, and you literally get paid while you sleep. Reason number 7 you may want to consider is that having a website makes you look professional and it gives you credibility. Now, anybody can put up a Facebook account or a LinkedIn or an Instagram, and it's free and it's done within minutes. But having a website gives you that professional look. It's like you're serious about it and you're there for the long run. It shows that your business is not fleeting, it's not temporary. You're there and you're serious. Reason number 8 is that you can sell digital products on your website and make money. Think about ebooks or templates or printables or cheat sheets. You can sell graphics, art. You can sell all of that through your website. It's a great way to earn money while you sleep. I definitely have all my books and my courses on my website, which brings me to reason number 9 is sell your expertise. Teach, sell courses on your website. If you have an expertise, a skill, a knowledge, an experience that you can create a course around, do that and sell it on your website. Or use your website to link it to other platforms. That's also what I'm doing. I have my courses on Skillshare and most of them are on Udemy about confidence, moving abroad, leaving your 9-to-5. All of my experiences and expertise, I put in a course. It's on my website and people click on it, buy it, and you earn money while you sleep. It's again a great passive income stream. You put in the work once and then you let it run. Reason number 10 is that you capture email addresses. And have you heard before, the money is in the list. On your website, you can create as many buttons as you want. You can create as many call to actions as you want. Those are opt-in boxes where people give you their email address, you capture their email address, and that's how they arrive on your list. Then you nurture your list because people are not going to come to your website all the time, every day or every week. No, they forget. They look at your website, great, and then they move on. But if they're on your list, every week or more than once a week, you can send an email, you can send a promotion, you can talk about something that you experience, you can talk, I share my YouTube videos every week in my email list. And so you nurture them. You ask them a question, you get involved, you interact. And that's how you get money, because that's how you can then say, hey, by the way, I have a new product, or I have a new book, or I have a new course, or do you want to work with me? I'm a coach. That's actually what I do. The best reason I want to share is that you can actually quit your 9-to-5. And that's exactly what I did. All I need is my laptop and internet. And because I have a website and because I have online presence through my website, sell things through my website, capture emails through my website, I get paid. And all I need is my laptop and I can travel the world just like I'm doing. If you're hesitant about a website, or you're in the beginning stages, you may want to know that you can make a lot of money without a website. And if you want to know how, then please check out my next video.